Want a professional website in minutes? Claude AI makes it faster and smarter. Watch layouts generate and elements combine. Let's build your online presence. Let's get started.
First, open Google and search for Claude AI. Click on the first official result and open the website. Once you're on the home page, click on Sign Up or Get Started. If you see cookie settings, simply accept them and continue. Now you can sign up using your Google account. Click Continue with Google and select your account. After signing in, Claude may ask a few onboarding questions such as your name, profession, and how you plan to use the platform. Fill in the required details and continue. You'll also see different plans available. For beginners, the free plan is more than enough to get started. So let's continue with the free version. Now that our account is ready, let's take a quick look at the dashboard. On the left side, you'll find your chat history. You can create new chats anytime from here. You can also organize your work into projects and manage different conversations separately. The Settings section allows you to customize language preferences and other options according to your needs. Everything is clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. Before creating the website, we need a detailed prompt. For this, I'm going to use ChatGPT to generate a professional website prompt. You can also write your own prompt, but using AI helps create much better results. Our business idea is simple. We want to build a premium watch e-commerce store. So I'm asking ChatGPT to create a detailed prompt for a luxury watch selling website. Once the prompt is generated, simply copy the entire prompt. Now switch back to Claude. Create a new chat and paste the prompt. After that, press Enter and let Claude start working. Now Claude begins generating the website structure. Depending on your request, it may create a modern homepage, product showcase sections, a About Us page, a text section, navigation menu, responsive design, product cards, call to action buttons, and much more. Once the generation process is complete, Claude will provide the website code. Download the generated files and save them on your computer. These files usually include HTML, CSS, and JavaScript required to run the website. Now let's open the website and see the results. Wow! Take a look at this. We have a professional premium watch store ready within minutes. The homepage looks clean and modern. The navigation menu is working perfectly. We have featured watch collections, an About section, a contact page, product listings, and a beautiful overall design. Of course, this is just the starting point. You can replace the demo content with your own brand name, product images, descriptions, pricing, contact information, and payment integrations. This is where you transform the template into a real business website. And that's how you can create a professional e-commerce website using Claude AI in just a few minutes. No advanced coding. No expensive developers. Just a great idea and the power of AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and keep growing. Let's get started with your own AI-powered website today.